Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I seldom do motovlogs at night because during night time there's nothing much for you guys to see and it's pretty dark out there. This will make the quality of the video really bad because of the lighting issues. So you guys must be wondering what am I doing right now. So right now I'm heading to Pro Spin to get a new chain loop for my bike, which I have finished up recently. So Pro Spin Motorsport is one of the few motor shops that open to such a late hour. So it's really convenient for riders who are working in the day and doesn't have time to visit the bike shops in the day due to their working schedule. So imagine if you have things to be done for your bike, parts to be repaired or replaced, they will be there for you. So this is why right now I'm heading to Pro Spin Motorsport at this hour. So here we are at Pro Spin Motorsports. Alright guys, so I bought the chain loop and right now I'm heading back home because it's late and I will continue the vlogs tomorrow. guys, so these are all the stuff which I'll be using whenever I'm lubing my chain. So I have a chain lube to lube the whole entire chain. I have a WD-40 and a used rag to wipe down the whole entire chain to make sure there's no dirt and grime on the chain. And I have a car jack to jack the bike up. So having a car jack is really handy, as I'm able to jack the bike up, spin the wheel freely and lube the whole entire chain. So this will make the whole lubing process a lot more easier. So right now I'll be jacking up the bike. So I have jacked the bike up, and right now I'm able to spin the wheel freely. I'll be using WD-40 and a used rag to wipe down the whole entire chain to remove all the dirt and grime. Alright guys, so I've wiped down the chain and it looks pretty clean, but I would say it's not 100% clean. So right now I'll be using the chain lube to lube the chain. Right guys, so right now the chain is lubed. So whenever you guys are lubing the chain, it's important to lube in between the links rather than the center of the chain. This is where the movements are when the chain is running. So having a well-maintained and well-lubed chain will make your chain last much longer, and this will prevent any unwanted sound from the chain. So last night I went to the bike shop to purchase this chain lube. And personally, I prefer to have a dry chain lube rather than a wet chain lube, because a wet chain lube will attract all the dust and dirt from the road, and this will make my chain a lot more dirtier over the time. So earlier I've used the WD-40 to wipe down the whole entire chain. If you're using the WD-40 to wipe down the whole entire chain, it will not be 100% clean. And every other two servicing, I'll be bringing the bike to a professional to have my chain washed. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. So I see you guys in the next video. Ride safe and bye. La 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 la.